Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a full review of the Huawei Y9s, and you can see it is a very good phone in this price range. In this video, I'm gonna talking about everything about this phone, camera, software, hardware, everything. And guys, I have to say that I am using this phone for about 1 week, and now I'm gonna tell you everything about this phone. Let's start off with the design language of this phone. As guys, you can see that this phone comes with a beautiful design language. This is a breathing crystal color. It is the same color that we see on the Huawei P30 Pro. This color give you a little bit rainbow effect, and you can see, and on the back we have a vertical shape, 48 megapixel triple AI cameras, LED flash, and the Huawei branding. Back is made up of glass and side is actually made up of aluminium. This phone give you a very premium feel when you holding this phone in your hand. Back is also a little bit curved from the edges. You can hold this phone very comfortable, although this phone is so wider, and but I have a big hand, so I can hold this phone easily without any problem. On the bottom we have a speaker, single 5-inch speaker, USB-C port, microphone, headphone jack, and on the left we have a nothing, and on the top we have a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, SIM tray. You can use one SIM card and one micro SD card at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot, which is not good for some people. 128 GB internal storage is enough for me, and I don't need micro SD card for storage expansion. But if you need to expand your storage, the option is available in this phone. Noise cancellation microphone and volume up and volume down rocker with a power on off button, and a side mounted fingerprint scanner is on the right, and fingerprint scanner speed is really fast on this phone. Here we go, and you can see it is super duper faster there, but we don't have a face ID option in this phone. Fingerprint scanner location is also nice on this phone. Front we have a Huawei ultra full view display. Bezel is so small. As you can see, overall the display quality, it is really good on this phone. I really like the design language, especially the build quality. It is much better than the plastic phones. Let's talk about the display of this phone. Again, it's a full HD plus IPS LCD display. The colors are good. Display is also very bright. You don't have any problem regarding the brightness of display. The color is not good as the Super AMOLED display, but in this price range we also have a Super AMOLED display in some phones, but it is a good for day-to-day use. Viewing angle is also good on this phone, and you can see this phone gave you a awesome experience while watching videos and playing games on this ultra full view display. Overall display quality is average on this phone. Let's talk about the software of this phone, and this phone is running on Android 9 Pie, and you can see this phone is running on Android 9 Pie, and you can see right out the box. And in Motion UI we have a 9.1, and this phone gave you all the features that you normally see on Huawei phone except the night mode. I hope Huawei will add that with update. You can also change the screen resolution from HD plus to full HD plus, help you to increase your battery life. System navigation is also work nice on this phone, and you can see here is the home. You can back like this, and you can swipe up, and here is your recent keys. Through my 1 week usage is smooth. I don't see any lag. This phone is also support all the Google apps, YouTube, Gmail, and you can see, and the Google Play Store as well. Let's talk about the speakers. This phone comes with a single speaker on the bottom. Speaker is not good. It is not loud and clear. Let's show you the speaker, and this is the maximum volume of the speaker, and you can see it is not loud and also not clear. Overall, I have to say that the speaker is bad on this phone. Let's talk about the internal of this phone, and this phone is powered by high silicon Kirin 710F processor, same processor that we see on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. 128 GB internal storage with 6 GB of RAM. I also play the PUBG Mobile on HD with high settings, and game is not run smooth. I notice some lags while I playing game. I play PUBG for about half hour and I don't feel any overheating issue as well for gaming wise, and I don't recommend this phone for gaming. This phone is also comes a beautiful bezel-less display. Gaming experience so good on this phone. Day-to-day experience wise, this phone give you a very good experience without any lag. RAM management performance is also awesome thanks to the 6 GB RAM on this phone. Let's talk about the camera of this phone. And on the back we have a 48 megapixel triple AI cameras and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 48 megapixel with f 1.8 aperture, and back camera support at full HD at 60 frames per second video recording. And you can see, and this phone give you a so much features, and you can see in the camera department portrait mode, for example HDR, the slow motion at 480 frames per second, and a lot of features that you find in this phone. Aperture mode is also available in this phone, and you can see aperture mode is also available in this phone. With the back camera, let's show you the camera samples. You have a better idea regarding the camera performance. Let's move on the front camera, and the front camera is a 16 megapixel, and you can see it is f 2.0 aperture. Both back and front camera support AI, and you can see AI for enhancing your shot according to the scene. Night mode, portrait mode is also available with the front camera. As guys you can see, night mode work good. Front camera support full HD at 30 frames per second video recording. Let's show you the front camera pictures. Let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery capacity that support only 5V with 2A charger. Speed, right out the box we got a 10W charger, which is disappointing because Vivo S1 and the Samsung Galaxy A30s support fast charging. The battery life, this phone gave you a 1 day battery life in heavy usage, but if you don't play games for a long time, you will got 1.5 day battery life or even a 2 days depending on your using. Overall battery life good on this phone. That's about it. Overall I have to say this phone is expensive, but if I see build quality, display and the cameras, then I recommend this phone. But again, Vivo S1 and the Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a Super AMOLED display and a in-display fingerprint scanner, which is so good. If you need a Huawei phone that comes with a 6 GB RAM, good cameras, good battery life and a average performance, and then this phone is for you. Redmi Note 8 Pro is best value if you need a gaming phone. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Give the video thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.